First thing you are going to need to grab is your negatives and the contact printer. This will be in the drawer under your enlarger. It is the piece that has a sheet of glass on it. Next, you are going to want to move the enlarger head up so that the light covers the entire contact printer. Turn your light all the way bright, changing the lens aperture, so make it all the way bright, and then turn it 3 clicks closed. And then on your timer, set the timer for 2 seconds, and then pull out a test strip. This test strip is going to help us figure out which time we need to set the timer for to expose our negatives. So I'm going to take the test strip, find the shiny side, and then I am going to place it behind my negatives. I can leave the negatives in the sheet, shiny side up on the negatives and shiny side up on the paper being underneath the negatives. Now I'm going to use the box from my paper. The rest of my paper is in the drawer, so it's safe, not getting hit by light. I'm going to use the box to cover majority of my test strip, and I'm just going to move it slightly, expose it for 2 seconds, move it a little bit further, expose it for 2 seconds, a little bit further, expose it for 2 seconds. And then I'm going to put it through the developing process. After I look at my test strip out in the classroom so I can actually see it under normal light, I determined that for mine, 3 seconds is what would give me good, nice, dark blacks in the photo and nice, bright, highlight whites. So I set my timer for 3 seconds. I'm going to grab a full sheet of paper so that I can make one big contact sheet. Again, the shiny side of the paper is going to be up. I'm going to put the negatives on top of it. I'm going to make sure it's all lined up so it is nice and straight and will look nice. Put all of that under the glass so that it will pinch it all together and make nice crisp images. And I will turn on my light for that 3 seconds. Then I put it through the chemical process and I have my contact sheet.